So let's start on the weekly or 4-day chart here for Polygon. I mean, it's moving into the ideal direction, right? In both scenarios, also on the smaller time frame, we've been looking for higher, but I have to remind everybody for really something bullish here, yeah. Also for confirmation that really a rally to $5, $6, $7 is playing out or could play out. We need all 5 waves in circle wave 1. Then we can say, okay, the wave 2 pullback could be an opportunity. Everything here is really just noise, speculative, too small, really. I mean, we've seen a reaction to the 50% retracement in April and June. That's promising, but this all looks at the moment fairly weak. Let's go to the smaller time frame. And so, yeah, I think I only made a video yesterday or so about Polygon. I mean, we have here 5 waves up, which is the main reason why in the short term, we're at least looking for higher prices, right? 5 waves up into the May high, a corrective pullback into the June low. This here is messy, but could be a 5-wave move up in wave 1 into the July high. And then here a corrective pullback into the August low, respecting all parameters, and now an attempted upside breakout. Well, at least this confirms that the move is not a triangle. That gives us some clarity. It does not help us to rule out the orange scenario, which is just a corrective bounce, because even in this orange scenario, higher prices like this are kind of expected. So it's still tracked this here as a potential third wave. That could be wave 3 of C in the orange scenario. Yeah. Only if we get all 5 waves up in the white scenario, we have some clarity that it's more than just a, you could say, a dead cat bounce, more than just a corrective bounce. So yeah, watching for higher. It would be good if now, I mean, the nanostructures here are not terribly clear, but I mean, as long as we're now holding these last lows here around 23.1 cents, short term, this upside momentum could continue. Let's see if it can hold above the green signal line. I wouldn't call that a breakout yet. This is just a wick above. Let's see if it can hold above that 27.9, 28 cent level. That would be helpful. On the weekend, breakouts on the weekend, normally you can't trust them.